Hello. It's getting cold out there. It's going to be one of the coldest nights of the autumn so far, and as well as turning frosty in quite a few locations, to complete the autumnal feel, a few thick fog patches also developing, particularly through the early hours. It's not completely dry, still a few showers across the east during the evening, quite a wet evening through parts of Norfolk with a cold wind blowing here, and rain heads into Northern Ireland through the second half of the night as well. Elsewhere in between it is largely dry, largely clear, turning misty and murky with some fog patches and definitely turning cold. These are the temperatures in towns and cities. Many rural areas will be below, well below, maybe as low as -6 or -7 through some sheltered glens across Scotland. So it's a cold start to the weekend, and there'll be some fog around too. Wales, the Midlands, parts of southern England. That rain moving in will then linger across particularly the east of Northern Ireland for much of the day. So there is a warning in force here. By 8 o'clock, that rain spreading through most of Wales and southwest England too. And that is snow falling over the hills and mountains across North Wales. Elsewhere, by and large, it's a dry start, but murky conditions over the Midlands, some dense patches of fog here and across parts of the south, and still maybe 1 or 2 showers across East Anglia. Much of eastern England, though, looking dry. Most of Scotland having a dry and a bright day. The rain kind of moves in and pivots and just kind of grinds to a halt. So it's quite a wet afternoon through the Midlands, parts of northwest England, more central parts of southern England. Some of that rain heading towards the London area later on as well. Further west, it turns a bit brighter, but there will be showers for Wales and southwest England. And say that rain persists in Northern Ireland, which is why there's a warning in force, and it's going to feel cold, especially under that rain band. 4 or 5 degrees at the very best, maybe 10 or 11 in the southwest, but here there will be a brisk breeze, which continues to bring some showers in through the evening. That rain continues over the Midlands and could be quite heavy in places, but notice the areas that suffered with the flooding through Thursday looking fairly dry through the weekend. Just a few showers coming in on Sunday. Still some showers across the Channel Isles, maybe 1 or 2 around western coasts. But most places having a fine day on Sunday, Remembrance Sunday, of course. It will be a cold morning, and despite some sunshine, temperatures in the afternoon still in single figures in most places. And notice again, there's another band of rain towards the northwest that will sweep across the country on Sunday night. But Remembrance Sunday looking dry for the most part, bright, but still on the chilly side. For the very latest on the Met Office weather warnings, latest forecasts into next week, follow us on social media.